Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will talk about Xiaomi Redmi K40 Pro. Xiaomi Redmi K40 Pro was announced on February 25, 2021 and released 2021, March 4th. On display aspect, the phone is 6.6 inches full high definition plus Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen. 1080 by 2400 pixels with 120 Hz refreshing rate and 85.9% screen-to-body ratio. On body and colors, the height 167.7 mm, width 76.4 mm, depth 7.8 mm, and the weight 195 grams. And the SIM port can occur dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. It comes only in 3 different colors: black, white and aurora. About the camera, on rear we have triple lenses, 64 megapixels which is wide, 8 megapixels of ultra wide and 5 megapixels of macro. Rear feature is LED flash, HDR and panorama. The video resolution 8K at 30 FPS, which is the highest someone can shoot with the phone. 4K at 30 and 60 FPS. 1080 pixels at 30 and 60 and 120 and 240 and 960 frames per second. Front camera has punch hole 20 megapixels only and HDR as feature. The video resolution 1080 pixels at 30 FPS. 720 pixels at 120 FPS. The processor Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888 and it runs MIUI 12 based on Android 11 version, which is the operating system. Memory capacity, we have 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage and 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage. There is no external storage, no card slot. It's powered by non-removable 4520 mAh battery. It has 33 watts fast charging, 100% in 52 minutes. Security and sensors: fingerprint is mounted at the right side of the phone. Accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, color spectrum and barometer. Note: the price may differ based on location. The expected price is about $579.99 and Xiaomi Redmi K40 Pro price in Nigeria is 160,160 Naira. Thanks for watching. I will be very glad if you can like this video. Give it a thumb up and comment so that others can see it. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. You can ask any question about the phone in comment below.